Hey guys, today I'll be doing a master bedroom clean with me video. In it, you'll see me using essential oils in a couple different ways, so be sure to watch out for that. And I'm finding that recording these videos are super motivational for me. So if you like cleaning videos, I try to post one every single week, so be sure to subscribe. I actually have a cleaning schedule, and so I clean our bedroom every week, but no matter what room it is, whether it's the bedroom, front room, kitchen, every week I try to pick out, the one thing, one extra thing to do. And obviously this week in the bedroom, it's cleaning out my granddaughter's dresser. So, whether it's cleaning out the dresser or maybe going through the closet or dusting the baseboards, I always just try to pick something extra in that room to do, just besides the regular cleaning. So that's what I'm doing this week, is going through the dresser. A couple years ago, I did the Kon Marie cleaning, and the folding here is the Kon Marie method. Unfortunately, I'm not the only one that puts away clothes. My husband and granddaughter will put things away sometimes, and they don't do the Kon Marie folding, so sometimes I need to go through and just redo it all. lot of people like starting their cleaning by starting their diffuser as soon as they start cleaning, but for me, I don't know. I just always like diffusing after everything, after the room and everything's already been cleaned. What way do you guys like doing it? Do you like diffusing before, while you're cleaning, or after? Leave it in the comments below. And there we have it. A pretty quick, easy cleanup for this week.